Hi everyone! Welcome to my unboxing and review of the Everlasting Comfort Memory Foam Seat Cushion. You can get this product on Amazon for about $48. Check out the link in the description. The seat cushion comes with a short manual which tells you how to use and how to clean it. The removable cover is machine washable. The seat cushion works with different seat types and is very comfortable. Unfortunately, it doesn't work very well with my gaming chair, because the chair is a little bit too slim. But I can still use it with my gaming chair, I just have to bend the seat cushion a little bit when I sit down. I tested the memory foam seat cushion for about a week, and it's very comfortable to sit on it. I also use a few other products from the same company which I really like. The links are in the description. If you are sitting for long hours and need a comfortable seat cushion, I would recommend the Everlasting Comfort Memory Foam Seat Cushion. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.